Hi, it's Dr. Crone here with a video presentation about how to read your POLS 1100 textbook. The textbook for this course, like other social science courses, has lots of dense information and data. It's different than textbooks for English or math courses, and so you need a different type of reading technique to be successful with it. I hope this video will give you some helpful hints to try. The first step in successful reading might surprise you. Start at the end of the chapter. This textbook provides a helpful summary as well as a list of terms and critical thinking questions at the end of each chapter. Read the summary first. Please note that this can't be the only thing you read, obviously, but it's a very helpful way to start. It's going to give you an overview of what's important to set your expectations for the chapter reading. The next step is to page through the chapter looking at the headings and subheadings. These serve as an outline to the chapter's contents. Read through these carefully, paying attention to the flow of information in the chapter. Understanding the framework of the chapter will really help you in working through your quiz. If you need to refer to a certain section, for example, to improve a missed question from your first attempt, you'll know where in the chapter to find the right answer. Now it's time to read in depth, but I want you to do this in sections, guided by those section headings. Read deeply from one heading to the next one. That might only be a paragraph or two. Before moving on, make some notes for yourself summing up the main point of the section. Also note how this section relates to the previous ones. Then move on to the next section. This strategy helps with the boredom and frustration that can come from staring at the book, rereading the same sentence over and over, and feeling like you'll never get to the end. While you're reading the sections, be sure to make time to read charts, graphs, and box text. A lot of students skip this material, and that's a mistake. Ask yourself why the chart or graph is there. Social science is all about learning to interpret data from charts and graphs. What can you learn from this information? Box text is usually an example of an important topic or an extension of a key concept. Ask yourself how it applies to the topic of the chapter and what the main point of the box text is. Hopefully, this overall strategy will help you to overcome the boredom and frustration that can come with this type of college reading. But you still have one step left before you take the quiz or start your discussion board. Assess yourself. Use the list of key terms in the back of the chapter and on Blackboard to test your understanding. But please don't just memorize definitions. That might have helped in high school, but it won't help in this course. Understand the definition by being able to put it into context. Use the list in the back to find where the definition is in the chapter and be sure to reread that section. I hope this video has been helpful. I'm always here to guide you, so if you have any questions about how to apply these hints, please get in touch. Good luck with your work.